Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
All right, so now that we've explored what AI agents are and the tools behind them, let us take a step further and talk about how you could conceptually build your first AI agent. And the great news is, you don't need to write a single line of code to understand it. It all starts with the goal. Every AI agent begins with a clear objective, what it is supposed to achieve. Once the goal is understood, it's helpful to think about breaking it down into smaller, manageable tasks. These are the actions the agent will need to perform to accomplish the overall goal. At the same time, the tools and resources that the agent will rely on are identified. These might include applications, APIs, or even databases, essentially everything the agent needs to access in order to complete its tasks. While the tasks and tools are mapped out, memory and context are also considered. This allows the agent to remember what it has done, what information it has gathered, and what it still needs to do. Without this, even a capable agent would struggle to act intelligently over multiple steps. Reasoning and decision-making are planned as well. The agent needs a way to choose between different options and make decisions that move it closer to its goal. It's not about following instructions blindly, but about evaluating alternatives and deciding the best course of action. Feedback and improvement loops are built into the concept too. Even the most well-designed agent will make mistakes, so a mechanism to learn from these mistakes ensures the agent improves over time. When all these pieces are put together, goal, tasks, tools, memory, reasoning, and feedback, the behavior of a real AI agent begins to make sense. It can act autonomously, handle multi-step tasks, and adapt to changes in its environment. Even if you're just thinking about this conceptually, you start to see how AI agents operate like a tiny team of intelligent assistants working in harmony. They plan, they remember, they decide, and they learn, all without needing constant human intervention. By approaching AI agents this way, you can start imagining how to design them before touching a single line of code. And when you're ready to move to actual frameworks like LangChain or AutoGPT, this conceptual understanding will make the process far easier and far more intuitive. So, if you've been curious about how AI agents actually work, this is the foundation, the mental model that allows you to visualize an intelligent system performing tasks autonomously, making decisions, and improving over time. That's it for today's session on building your first AI agent conceptually. If this helped you understand AI agents better, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, would you like me to explore how multi-agent systems collaborate next, or how AI agents connect with real-world tools like N8N?
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnetguide.net.